Hello folks, it's me Bushwarit Roy and you are watching NoishiXzen. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and you can also click the bell icon for upcoming notifications. So why we are creating this video? It means a lot to you all guys. I'm creating this video also we are creating this video for a new purpose because currently Rex and me are working on RawCam. Basically he already finished this application but there is something missing because if you're new in Android application projects or making of Android apps, so you hardly know that this application status or this structure also needs different things for different Android versions. So I'm currently using Android 11, so I also need different kind of structure build. But Rex developed this RawCam only for Android 10, unfortunately. So currently I'm working on this because when we have created this project and currently I'm testing this project and it won't work eventually. While downloading this project, it won't work. So you can see it's a RawCam, the Rex version, and it's a beta or private beta 3 currently working on this project. So you can see it's a full project, full working project, but it's now in beta. You can use gallery as image picker, image view, you can do everything. So it's a full project. So let me give you a quick overview about this RawCam. So first I'm gonna open this RawCam and you can see it's really neat and clean, designed by Rex himself. You can see I have already uploaded one external image. I already set as my profile picture and Rex also uploaded photos and wallpapers there. It has some kind of categories you can change or choose from here, the categories you like most. You can also press this plus one to upload or edit photos. There are also inbuilt editor, you can edit your customize your photos from here for this option menu. You can edit it easily with a brush and tool, whatever you can use. You can save it, but the problem is while you were continuously clicking on back, it just directly annoying. But forget about that. You can see it's a neat UI. You also can sign out, you can follow, also unfollow. There you can count the followers, you can log out, everything you can do. You can watch the status, everything. It's a really neat and clean design, you can see. But the problem with the Android 11, while clicking on this capture, it crashed because it also tried to take the right settings from my internal storage, but during this you can see the right settings permission not granted because Android 11 has kind of strong settings. It won't allow you or give you any kind of external permissions because lack of security. And also it has some problem with downloading because currently it's not using scope storage that Rex mentioned me. You can see while clicking on this photo and pressing the download, it's saying that failed to download image because currently it's using the different storage type, that's why it's not working well. So currently I'm now working on this and giving you a quick overlook on this. So if you guys have any interest about investing on this project or want to uh, just want to purchase this project and also create your own project, you can also help me or you can also purchase this project. It's not completed yet but you can still purchase this project. So if you want to do that, it's okay about you. And by the way, some of you guys already asked me that why I'm not giving you free projects, this premium one, because you already know that it takes a lot to create and build with customize with components and external more blocks also usage. You already know that Rex really works hard on these projects because he did not even sleep quite lately. So yeah, it's not completely free yet because we are not allowed to give you free projects and you are not allowed to publish on SketchUp. So if you want to publish, please also change everything like colors or patterns, everything, then you can publish on SketchUp. So that's all for this today, and I'm promoting this project only. If you guys interest, you can message me or email me from this email box in my description. So it's a RawCam and it's NoishiXzen sign out. And if you're new in this channel, you can visit my channel from these different pages logs. You can also subscribe my channel and press this bell icon. If you have any doubt, you can comment down below either, or you can also go direct to my email address. You can mail me. It takes some time to give you reply because I'm kind of busy on these projects. So yeah, stay tuned and yeah, take care for next one.